We'll get it to stay enough to load it. Alright guys, so this is what we're towing out to Crawford, Maine. Big ass old dump truck. So let's get at it. Locked in gear, steering wheel turn. Fuck. Make sure we're off that other fender, please.
Yeah, looks good.
Fuck, are we running over back here? I'll probably have to snatch block this ass over a little bit once I get it up, and I'll probably put the deck down to do it so it makes my life easier, but we'll see. I know we're probably gonna have to snatch block the ass over once we get it up. Me too. For some reason, the sketchier, the more I love it.
You have an emergency brake like my little red truck. Same fucking way.
I know, baby. I saw it. We're gonna have to get to it.
To the other side?
I don't, baby, I don't know. We'll figure it out after. Let's just get this thing done. And on first, one at a time. We still got quite a bit to do before we're out of here. We ain't got no tongue weight. See her? It's lifting. Set her down. Woo! That's tongue weight. Watch out. You're in my camera. Thank you.
Sorry. I never noticed how sketchily you're hanging on a ball. It's pretty scary.
It's not. It's only that way because of how much fucking weight we got.
Those bolts are good, right?
Should be, hopefully. Got the old truck in tow. About to hit that green brick into Maine.